Pipelines are like underground highways for transporting liquids and gases. We use them to move things like water, oil, and natural gas. A pipeline leak happens when there's a hole or crack in the pipe, and the stuff inside starts to escape. These leaks can be big or small, and they can happen for different reasons. Sometimes pipes get old and rusty. Other times accidents happen or the ground shifts, putting pressure on the pipeline. Pipeline leaks are a big deal. They can be dangerous for people and bad for the environment. If a leak happens near a town, it could contaminate the water supply or even cause explosions. Leaks also waste resources. Imagine a giant hole in a water pipe. All that water would be lost. Plus, cleaning up leaks is expensive and time-consuming. For a long time, we've used different methods to find leaks in pipelines. These methods have evolved over the years, incorporating both traditional and modern technologies to ensure the safety and efficiency of our pipeline systems. One way is to send people out to walk or fly along the pipeline, looking for signs of trouble. This can involve using drones for aerial inspections or having workers physically walk the length of the pipeline, scanning for any visible issues. Another way is to install sensors along the pipeline. These sensors are strategically placed to monitor various parameters and provide real-time data on the pipeline's condition. These sensors measure things like pressure and flow rate. By continuously monitoring these metrics, we can detect anomalies that might indicate a problem. If something seems off, it could mean there's a leak. Alarms and alerts are triggered, prompting further investigation to pinpoint the exact location and severity of the issue. But these methods aren't perfect. Despite our best efforts, there are limitations to what we can detect and how quickly we can respond. Sometimes, leaks are small and hard to spot, or they happen in remote areas. These challenges make it difficult to ensure complete safety and efficiency, highlighting the need for continuous improvement in our detection methods. Section 4. AI to the rescue, a smarter way to detect leaks. In today's world, the importance of maintaining the integrity of our pipelines cannot be overstated. Leaks can lead to significant environmental damage, financial loss, and even pose safety risks. Traditional methods of leak detection often fall short, either being too slow or not accurate enough. This is where AI comes in. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning, AI can revolutionize the way we monitor and maintain pipelines. AI is like having a super smart detective on the